Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually going to do an unboxing and first impressions of a Ubeesize ring light on a tripod. My first ring light, so we're going to do an unboxing and we'll see how it goes. Here we go. So this one is going to be the Ubeesize 12-inch diameter, 62-inch tripod. Nice pleasant box. Let's open it up. Okay. Oh, so we have one box inside there. Okay. There's the ring light. Then we have this other box. I'll open that in just a second. We'll see what's inside there. Okay. And then you have the legs. So these will actually, weirdly, it feels pretty good. So we will work on extending these. Let's open this box and see what we have in here. Okay, so this is actually going to be the phone holder, the remote. It has buttons for iOS and Android. And the cable for it. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. All right. Okay, so you take this tripod and then you have to open the clamp like that, and then you're able to extend it. All right, so let's see how far it goes up. That's a decent height. All right. All right, I'm going to lower this before I, rip a hole in the ceiling. And then we will try and find out how to make the legs work. Like I said, it's a pretty good weight to it. There we go. Okay, so you have to, it has the unlock and locks, so you have to twist it unlocked, and then you push down to extend the legs for the tripod. And it actually fits out really well. All right. Close the bottom. So to kind of give you a sense of how tall this tripod is, I'm about 5'9", 5'10", and this is probably about equivalent with my eyes, if you can't see that already. But it's a decent sized tripod, and that's exactly what I was looking for, something to, because I'm filming on a DJI OM4 right now, but I needed something stationary as well. And then the ring light will go right on top. And then you are able to, I believe you're able to angle the ring light. So it could be at any angle straight up or like at 45 degrees. There we go. Then you can tighten that up. And then you're good to go. So I'm going to put this together. use it for about a week or so, and then I'll have my thoughts and review for it. Thanks for hanging out with me on my channel, and I'll be back soon.